Well, this is the egg barn. According to the egg barn.
Why are you recording the egg barn?
Because I might not see it again tomorrow.
Why is that? What's gonna happen to it?
Because we could all die tomorrow, Steven.
So? Why do you gotta worry about that? Who cares?
Cares? Really?
Yeah, who cares? Probably 15 years, that's pretty damn long to me.
I guess.
I'd be okay with it. Been alive 15 long years, man. In a couple days I'll be 60. Stop recording everything I do. Speaking of your phone, you still need to give me your cell phone number.
What?
You still need to give me your cell phone number.
A cell phone number?
Your cell phone number.
I don't have a cell phone.
No. God damn it, Matt. How the hell do you not have a cell phone?
We're a poor family.
But that's the question. Like, how do you not? God damn it. Why are people touching my stuff?